Hello, my name's Jake.
And I'm Sandy.
Welcome to Heart Healthy Cooking with WellSpam.
So today we're going to be doing another cooking demo, and it is made possible through a great sponsorship from the York Health Foundation. Because of their generosity, we've been able to make these cooking demos, bring them to you to show you how to cook heart healthy, easy, and delicious. So I'm excited about today's. What are we having today, Jake?
So today we are doing a basil pesto stuffed mushroom.
Oh, that sounds delicious.
Sounds amazing.
Yeah. So basil's a really good thing. It's really good for vegetarians because of all the different vitamins and minerals that are in basil. So we're going to go ahead and get that mixed up. We've got our food processor ready to go. It'll make a little bit of noise. We're just going to add the ingredients. So we've got a little bit of Parmesan cheese. I'm just going to go ahead and pour this in. Okay. We're using pumpkin seeds today. All right. Now, pumpkin seeds are very, very healthy, and it's actually one of the great foodie crimes in the American population because of what we do at Halloween when we empty out a pumpkin, when we're carving it, and we throw all those seeds away. Easiest thing is pull them out, put them on a tray, roast them, and they're great. It's a great little snack that you can have. So we've got a little basil. Here we got basil. Anything good about basil, Jake?
Basil's very versatile, has a lot of different flavor to it. A little bit of sweet, a little bit of savoriness. Has lots of vitamins like B vitamins in it as well. So it comes in handy with making sure that we're keeping ourselves as healthful as possible.
Awesome. And we've got some fresh garlic here. We're just going to mince that up, put that in. Basil actually comes from the mint, lavender, and oregano family, which sort of seems weird, but it does. It's very pungent. It's got a great odor. Got just a little bit of lemon juice. Pour that in. You're going to notice that there's not a lot of liquid with this, and that's okay. And then we've got a little bit of heart-healthy olive oil, so we'll pour that in as well. But one of the most important things is to always make sure that you get your lid on properly so you don't have it all over the ceiling. I have been known to do that. So here we go with the noise. All right, so I'm going to take that off, and then I'm just going to stir the sides a little bit, get some of that down in there, and then we'll give it another quick little pulse.
Already getting that nice flavorful aroma.
I know. Basil is so aromatic. Can't wait to have this. Perfect. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and move that out of the way. And we're going to go ahead with the topping of our mushrooms.
Now, for our topping for our mushrooms, we got a little bit of panko. And that is going to be a nice little binder. Give us a little bit of a crunch in a way. But we're going to add this into our bowl here. And then we also got our parsley. That's a pretty common herb that's used, very versatile, used in Italian cuisine, used also in a little bit of Hispanic cuisine as well. So it comes in handy for a lot of uses.
Sounds good.
Add that in here. And we got a vegetable spread here that we liquefied. That's going to act as a little bit of our binder to this wonderful topping. So I'm going to add this in here. And then we're going to all mix this together.
So this isn't going to get extremely solid. It's just going to be a little bit moist. And again, we're just going to pat that down over the top here in just a minute. I love the color with the parsley in there. Can come in. All right.
So we're ready for the main event.
Yep. So we've got some cremini mushrooms here, and we've got them ready to go. So I'm going to do some stuffing as we go. So we're going to push this down in here. I'm going to use about a tablespoon. And then Jake's going to come in behind me and put that topping on. All right. Let me just get another one, get out of your way.
That sounds good.
So we've got them all lined up here. We'll just take a couple of minutes and we'll push that down through. Oh, they look delicious.
Oh, yeah.
I can hardly wait for this.
This is going to be a very yummy product.
It is. All right, and we've got one more here to stuff. These look so good, so healthy. These pumpkin seeds are great. They're good to reduce inflammation, so if you're arthritic, pumpkin seeds are very healthy for that, as well as helping to lower blood pressure and cholesterol.
Great source of fat-soluble vitamins, and those are the type of vitamins that are great for your immune system, great for your skin, hair, nails, and also can help those nerves out.
Oh, we all need that these days, I'll tell you. All right, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to put this in the oven. It's going to cook at about 350 for about 10 to 15 minutes. Here we go. All right, so we're pulling them out of the oven. They've been in for about 15 minutes. They smell delicious. It allowed us the time to clean up, which is one of the best parts of this. So We're going to pull them off of the tray, sort of plate them up a little bit. As we mentioned, this is something that would be really, really healthy for you to take if you're going to an outing or a picnic or a party, anywhere that you go. These would just be great to have as an appetizer before a meal at your house. Very simple to put together, real heart healthy, something that hopefully is going to taste as good as they look. I know they smell delicious, so pull that over. And if we only had our taste tester, maybe Megan is around here somewhere. Megan.
Hey, gang.
Hey, there she is.
Doesn't it smell great in here again?
It does.
Didn't I come in just the perfect time?
You always do. So we've got some basil pesto stuffed mushrooms here.
Excellent.
Ready for you to try them out. You
Okay.
go ahead and cut them up. They just came out of the oven, so it might be a little warm, so don't burn your tongue.
All right, here we
Moment
go.
of truth. Here we go. We'll try not to talk to her while she's got her mouth full. She'll give us a thumbs up or thumbs down. Of course, not too hot, didn't burn her tongue.
Just great.
Thanks for joining us for another Heart Healthy Cooking with WellSpan. We'll see you next time.